Australia versus birds, the war that shouldn't have happened. In 1932, Australia had a problem. Thousands of giant emus were destroying farmlands. The solution? Send in soldiers with machine guns. The army opened fire. Bullets rained down. But the emus? They were too fast, too smart, too many. They dodged, scattered, and outran the soldiers. Some say they even had lookouts. The government tried everything: ambushes, machine guns on trucks. But nothing worked. After weeks of battle and thousands of bullets wasted, the army gave up. The emus had won. Australia had lost a war against birds. Would you believe this actually happened? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more insane history.